Mastering ratio control. Only a handful of key ratios unlock the secret to sustainable performance improvement. What are the most prevalent types of ratios employed in operational excellence initiatives, and how do organizations typically apply them to drive performance improvement and achieve sustainable results? In the pursuit of operational excellence, organizations frequently employ various types of ratios to gauge performance, identify areas for improvement, and drive sustainable results. These ratios serve as key performance indicators, KPIs, providing insights into an organization's operational efficiency, effectiveness, and adaptability. The most prevalent types of ratios utilized in operational excellence initiatives include 1. Productivity ratios. These ratios assess an organization's ability to optimize resource utilization, minimize waste, and maximize output. Examples include labor productivity ratio, total output per unit of labor input, e.g., units produced per labor hour. Asset utilization ratio, percentage of available capacity being utilized, e.g., machine hours utilized per total available hours. 2. Efficiency ratios. These ratios evaluate an organization's ability to minimize waste, reduce variability, and optimize process flow. Examples include cycle time ratio, time required to complete a process or task compared to the ideal or target time. Yield ratio, percentage of defect-free units or processes, e.g., first pass yield or rolled throughput yield. 3. Effectiveness ratios. These ratios assess an organization's ability to achieve its goals, meet customer requirements, and ensure product or service quality. Examples include customer satisfaction ratio, percentage of customers satisfied with products or services. Defect density ratio, number of defects per unit of output, e.g., defects per million opportunities. 4. Capacity ratios. These ratios measure an organization's ability to meet demand, manage capacity, and optimize resource allocation. Examples include capacity utilization ratio, percentage of available capacity being utilized. Throughput ratio, volume of products or services delivered within a specified time frame. 5. Financial ratios. These ratios evaluate an organization's financial performance, cost structure, and profitability. Examples include cost of quality ratio, percentage of total revenue dedicated to quality-related activities. Return on investment, ROI, ratio, ratio of profit to investment in a particular initiative or project. To effectively apply these ratios and drive performance improvement, organizations typically follow a structured approach. 1. Define and establish goals, identify key objectives and areas for improvement, and set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART, targets. 2. Select and track relevant ratios. Choose a set of ratios that align with the organization's goals and objectives, and regularly track and analyze the data. 3. Analyze and interpret results. Examine the ratio data to identify trends, patterns, and areas for improvement, and perform root cause analysis to address gaps. 4. Develop and implement corrective actions. Create and execute plans to address performance gaps, optimize processes, and allocate resources more effectively. 5. Monitor and adjust, continuously track ratio performance, refine corrective actions, and adapt to changing circumstances to ensure sustainable results. 6. Cascade ratios throughout the organization. Deploy ratios at various levels, from executive to frontline, to ensure alignment, accountability, and a culture of continuous improvement. 7. Integrate with existing systems and processes, incorporate ratio-based metrics into existing performance management systems, quality management systems, and continuous improvement initiatives. By adopting this structured approach, organizations can effectively employ ratios to drive performance improvement, achieve sustainable results, and foster a culture of operational excellence.